Hey guys, Dewey here, and as I promised to myself a few months ago, I finally caught myself a pair of Adidas sneakers. Now, people may be wondering why it took me a while to buy a pair of Adidas sneakers when it was easy for me to buy Nike sneakers. Well, to be honest, there are a lot of nice new models, nice new colors with the 3 stars, but I'm not really feeling them. And as someone was getting old, or some would say on the road to titohood, I would rather choose sneakers that I would love to wear every day than to literally just buy a new pair every week, like what I used to do back in my younger days. So in this case, I decided to cop the UltraBoost City Pack. I got the Shanghai colorway because for initial colorway that I wanted, the sole ran out on my size. So I went for the second best choice in my opinion, and I'm not regretting my purchase. So let's hand it to the unboxing. And as you can see, the box is really nice. For me, it's the most unique looking box for a GR pair I've seen so far, because instead of the typical top lid, you have an asymmetrically cut one wherein the cut of each side of the lid represents which side of the shoe it is. So if you're OC, this box is meant for you. Anyway, let's get the pair out. As what I've said before, this is the UltraBoost City Pack Shanghai. On the lateral side, you have gold stripes on the translucent heel cage, and on the medial side, you have black stripes. Now this was based on the 2.0 prime knit version, which some of my friends would say that the 2.0 runs a bit wider compared to the 1.0 and 4.0. So since I'm a normal 10.5, I went with 10.5 for this. If in any case you're planning to cop a 1.0 or 4.0 UltraBoost, make sure to add half a size up since both models run a bit tight compared to the 2.0 and 3.0. Now, in terms of styling, I really prefer the 2.0 because I like the pattern that Adidas used for it. So, as you can see here, the prime knit upper is in a mix of black and gray, and you have various letterings which says the brand with the 3 stripes in different languages. Now, the shoe itself is kind of stealthy, save for a white heel cup which you have a gold colored UltraBoost lettering. For me, it's a good contrast to the otherwise stealthy sneaker. Speaking of stealthy, this one has a gray colored midsole, which is a good thing because at least I wouldn't have to worry about my Boost midsole turning yellow over time. As for the outsole, you have a Continental outsole, which I've noticed that this version is grippier compared to the earlier Continental outsoles that Adidas used in their previous running models. Speaking of contrast, aside from the white heel cup, you also get the orange colored torsion bar at the outsole. You can see here. Speaking of orange, the color is used on the tongue tab, part of the heel tab, and also on the insole. Now, on the tongue tab, the left pair has the Adidas 3 stripes logo, the performance one, while the right pair has the letters SH, which represents Shanghai. Now, a unique feature of this UltraBoost is that it comes with a heel tab because most UltraBoost sneakers don't have this. For me, it's beneficial because it helps me fit the sneaker faster and much easier compared to not having this little thing on the back. I've rocked this for a few steps, and yes, I definitely feel the comfort on this pair. For me, I've tried several Boost pairs including the Yeezy Boost, and this for me is the most comfortable Boost sneaker I've ever tried. As for the price, the City Pack is priced at 8,900 and they actually come in 5 versions. So you have this one, the Shanghai, you have the Seoul, you have the Tokyo, you have the Paris, and you have the New York. Now, out of the 5, for me, the personal fan favorite would be the Seoul, then next would be the Shanghai. Don't be surprised if you're going to have a hard time getting both pairs at your nearest Adidas store. In my case, I've noticed that the bigger sizes tend to run out much easier compared to the smaller sizes. So if you have small feet, well, good for you. If you have big feet like me, well, you're gonna work hard, hustle hard to find a pair of this. Is it worth copying? Yep, it's definitely worth copying because, come on guys, it's an UltraBoost. It's really made for comfort. And style-wise, I kinda like the style of the Shanghai, so win-win for me. That's it for now, and if you notice that my voice was kinda weird, apologies for that because the weather here is crazy. Until the next vlog guys, bye-bye!